Hey there, how's it going? Last year we held the very first VimJam. 2,000 game developers came together to create over 450 games in a single week. Never in my wildest dreams would I have ever thought I could help facilitate the creation of so many amazing projects. And I was absolutely ecstatic to hear that so many people enjoyed their jam experience that they wanted another one. I've been asked when the next VimJam will be nearly every day since then, and now it's finally time. Once again, I'm teaming up with the 8-Bits to Infinity community to bring you VimJam2. We're making a slight change to the duration this time, to be more accommodating to people's lives and schedules. This year, the jam will run for 10 days, beginning on Friday, September 10th, and finishing Monday, September 20th. This gives all participants 2 weekends to work on their game, which we found works much better for most, as trying to get a game finished and submitted on a Friday can be challenging for a lot of people. We'll be sticking with the limitation and theme model again this year. There will be a requirement that needs to be in each game, as well as a theme to base your concept around. Like last year, the theme will be announced at the start of the jam, and the requirement will be known ahead of time. This year, the requirement was voted on by the community, and they've chosen boss. Basically, your game will need to have a boss in some capacity, but that doesn't necessarily mean it has to be a boss that you fight. It could be a boss that you work for, or you could be the boss yourself. But a quote-unquote boss needs to be part of the game in some way. The interpretation is up to you. I'm already so hyped to see what amazing things you all create. The jam page is now live, and you can join by clicking the link in the description. Both myself and 8-Bits to Infinity have Discords where you can meet and chat with other jammers. And if you're looking to join a team, the 8-Bits to Infinity Discord has a channel set up just for that. Links to both Discords are in the description. For a week after the jam, I will be streaming playing games and giving feedback. There will be a community vote, and I will play the top 50 voted games in addition to what I play in the week after the jam. And of course, I'll be making a video highlighting some of my favorite games as well as the community vote winners. But of course, in the end, the goal isn't really to win. It's to make something that players can enjoy and that we as designers can learn from. However, I do have a video with tips to do better at game jams if you're interested. Last year's VimJam was bigger than I could have ever dreamed. Let's see if we can do it again. All relevant links are in the description below, and more in-depth rules can be found on the jam page. I'll be posting a video here September 10th for the theme announcement. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell to guarantee you're notified when it goes live. I hope you're all just as excited as I am. I wish you all good luck, and I hope you all have fun. Later. Thank you all very much for watching. I would also like to give an extra special thank you and shout out to my amazing Patreon supporters, especially Aaliyah Cam, Clone13, Cortland Masam, David Scott, Nightfall, Jed, Kevin Halgau, Kormai, MLK, Matzi Makes, Nazar Salim, Salty Pretzel, Scott Hansen, Soapy Gnome, Straight Up Gruntled, and Warren Stephen Rose. You're all awesome people, and I truly appreciate the support. If you want to get into contact with me, the best place is honestly my live stream at twitch.tv/vimlark. I'm currently streaming Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and I would absolutely love to chat with you. Or you can join our Discord community with a lot of other fantastic people. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Later.